We have 50 million for
50 million.
for the Department of Agriculture solely for enforcement
Saan
and
po?
smuggling.
Smuggling. So bakit kailangan niyo pa po confidential fund kung smuggling pinag-usapan? Nandiyan naman po ang Bureau of Customs na meron din
I don't know. It was
confidential fund.
given to us, Mr. Senator.
So surrender nyo na lang po at ibigay nyo lang po sa ibang mga agency na nangailangan talaga tulad ng Coast Guard. Siguro kailangan natin dahil palaging nagkakaproblema tayo sa West Philippines.
Hindi, ma'am.
According the enforcement agency against smuggler and cartel and ano would be coming from the law enforcement agency,
Law
not
enforcement.
from
Yeah, but
DA.
let me ask.
Kasi
ask
yun ang
Ryan.
sinabi niya po na 50 million daw binigay sa kanya. Kung binigay sa inyo, hindi pala kailangan, di solid nyo na lang.
Sabi mo sa
No, but
enforcement
we have
agency.
ASEC Layo agreed to
Okay,
answer that.
you explain
question.
ASEC Layo.
Yes, sir. Nung lumabas yung NEP, sir, they allocated 50 million confidential fund to be dedicated sana dun sa surveillance operation for anti-agricultural smuggling operation, sir. And
nandiyan naman po yung PNP, nandiyan
Yes,
naman
sir.
po yung Customs. So solid nyo na lang yung confidential fund, yung kailangan yun.
yes, sir.
Idagdag nyo lang sa Coast Guard siguro kung sa mga taga-military natin.
Yes, sir.
Di ba? O dili kayo, yung i-reallocate nyo na lang sa hybrid program na para tumaas yung rice production.
We'll make the adjustment, realignment. Actually, the one who will enforce after the anti-agricultural economic sabotage will be the law enforcement. So we don't need.
Exactly. So, paki-cancel na lang, ano? Huwag na kayo magka-confidential fund dyan. Pandagdag pa kayo. Ano kayong paggagamitan. So, solid nyo na lang. I-realign na lang daw, sabi ni Madam Chair.
Yes, sir. Well noted po. Madam Chair, about the confidential fund, I would just like to the executive committee when we discussed yung need for under your your wisdom and the guidance din po, if the department really can use the confidential fund to also investigate, especially we have quarantine powers under the food safety law and the Price Act also, and even in the meat code, where we have the power for, we are mandated to conduct surveillance, market surveillance, and market inspection. And also, yung sa mga imports natin, ma'am, nandyan tayo. So may mga quarantine na powers po ang mga FSRA natin, Food Safety Regulation Agencies like BAI, DPI, and PFAR, and also NMIS, na will also need sana some support para naman mapatibay natin yung mga surveillance operation and ma-reinforce po itong mga accomplishment na nasimulan na rin ng DA po.
Actually, yes, Madam Chair.
I just want to comment that if Senator Tulfo will make a big issue out of it, you just follow him in what you will do with the 50 million. I don't want to be answering Senator Tulfo because of your 50 million allocation. You be creative and give him the benefit of having that 50 million realigned. Ako, that's my opinion. I'm just being practical, di ba?